You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you.
What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo is back with another blazing video. So people, oh my god, it feel like a long time when I come on camera. I've been busy for the past couple of days, so yeah. But guys, today I have a big prank. Well, I'm not really title, you know, but I have to say something I'm well on there. Alright, so guys, I have a big prank today. Today I decide to do that prank upon Abbi. It will be a very dangerous one. Because I know Abbi cherish some little things, you know, people. She cherish special occasions. She cherish some little small things, yeah. I must say, you know what? I'm going to see Abbi go react with my tea for her liquor. Or a bottle of champagne which I have put on from last year. I take it and I'm going to drink it. Boy, alright, so here now. She's still inside her sleep, right? So I'm going to do the intro from right now before she wake up or before anybody wake up. Because I wake up this morning early. I'll work out, she go back and sleep. I'm going to take a shower. I'm fresh now, ready to go. So what I'm going to do, when everybody wake up, I'm going to tea out her liquor. And then I'm going to try to convince somebody in the house to drink it with me. I don't know, but you're going to find out how I drink it. And at that point, people, oh my god, at that point, you know, say I just pure chaos. So people, don't just pray for me from now, you know, pray for me from now, because I know say this not going to really end well. I have to do it same way. You know why? Because I want to give that video a like. Thumbs up, 1k likes on the video. I know you can do it. 1k likes on the video. Please just hit the like button. And remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. When you not subscribe, turn on notification bell. Just click on it, you know, click on all. It kind of tricky, you know, people, so I want to click on all. So anytime Abbi and Capo JA post a video, we're going to get notified same time. So please click on all and help the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Subscribe also to Abbi's Madness. And also subscribe to Capo TV. And guys, before the video start, I want to give a really big shout out to Bree and KG. Them are YouTubers, Jamaican YouTubers, so I want to support them. I want to go by them channel right now and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. Tell them say Abbi and Capo send you. Watch them prank, because I tell them nice. Why they him prank him girlfriend and say yo man sell him son clothes them and I tell her head cheap. Just check out a little piece alone, because I want to go over there and watch entire video now. So I put a little piece in it for you see what go on. Tell them say Abbi and Capo send you.
This look nice.
Sure, don't make me cuss.
I put it on let go out. Eh?
We don't go sell your body. So what?
Yes people, so that's why I tell you say yo go subscribe to them channel. Like that me I tell you right now. So guys, just go and pray for Capo right now in the meantime. Pray for Capo, because I tell you the prank is not going normal. But just know say it will be a big prank. And I want to just share the video. I want to hey, I have corona, you know. I don't have corona. I want to share the video. Tag on a friend in the video. Put it on the Instagram story and just help the channel grow. We're almost at 70k subscriber. I want to carry over the line. If I go over 70k subscriber, thank you. So people, just subscribe to the channel and help we grow. So no further talking, the video I go start right now. Alright guys, it's been 3 hours since we do the intro video, right? I already take a liquor out of the room when she does sleep. And she already wake up now. She don't recognize it gone yet. So I feel like say I need to open do the prank before she realizes. So I'm going to try to pull the liquor and tell her brother after yo, I drink the liquor here. But more one of them go in the room go inform. So she can come around there and say yo, we're drinking our liquor. So people, just put my comment section right now. I'm nervous, we can't talk too loud. Team Capo in the comment section right now. Alright, let's get it.
Oh, this is that?
You know, you don't light the fire.
No, you got to do it.
Light the fire, so make it pop open, brother.
Just dry it down, brother. What's your face with this?
Show me that.
See, put all juice.
Yeah, brother.
You know what I mean? This. I'm like, how you killing an idea at the team? Give him some, yes? Let me get them blame.
Afraid?
Lean. Brother, you brave. You want brave motherfucker, brother. You want to juice.
I mean, ban this man.
Meow.
Boy, woman, full of the juice.
Yahoo. Yahoo, what drinking? A different thing you drink, brother.
You want juice?
Some more, brother? Some more, man?
I want the other. I want Abbi.
Give some more. See the next one, Abbi juice. Abbi and the champagne, I have juice. I think a soup in there, Abbi.
Yeah.
Do not the drink.
You put me a latte. I'm from last year, she buy them.
I wish you get them now.
Buy them last year, we didn't know who buy them. But look all I want to do them.
We are last year.
One deal.
We are last year.
You look at pretty juice and went in our room?
Yeah.
So where did I send them for Abbi?
When you're at the end,
Hello.
I want to be like my mom, real motherfucker.
It is good. You should have come out something for you.
Let me. I fear man.
Yo, okay, mom.
Abbi, what's in your home? The bucket
Is
is.
your dad doing that?
The bucket. I don't pull it.
That means I need to it. How we earth for Texas?
The bucket bag. Cheers.
Juice tonight.
Yeah, move on.
Good times.
There you go. Go in here.
You will end up in the man. Man, brave, you know, man. Yeah, bye back.
Bye back, what youth? Abbi. Abigail.
Come to my room.
Abbi.
Come to my room.
I want prank, you know. I want pranking, Abbi. Abbi, I want prank. Abbi, for real.
You open the camera for me.
Abbi, it's a prank. Come here, so.
Open the camera for me.
It's a prank.
You pull the juice.
Abbi,
Papa, so you prank.
So I can buy back
You
on
pull
that
the
one.
juice. More the juice, though. More it.
You're not gonna use it now?
Want it now.
Jesus Christ. It's a prank.
Come on, baby.
Oh
Nah, chop up there till you give me my juice. I'm serious.
Yo, my Abbi.
I'm serious.
You beef extra for nothing at all.
I'm serious.
It's a prank though.
I'm serious.
Say, boom. People, it's you should behave though.
See, last time you remember put me somebody come on. You tell me damn juice again and come and share too. Come on. I'm serious.
Hey, that be Abbi is a prank. I'm about the same. I'm about the same.
I don't know why you talk to me. I don't know why you talk to me.
I'm about the same one for
I
you.
don't know why you talk to me.
Abbi,
I don't know why you talk to me.
forgive me now, it's a prank.
Whenever I want the juice, me talk to you.
It's remember the same
Whenever
flavor.
I talk, me talk to you. Come on, come on.
What do you mean by that?
Whenever I talk, me talk to you.
It want to you.
Come on, blood clot.
Guys, that was an epic one. Abbi nearly tear my head a while ago, boy. I feel hot in my clothes. People, spam the comment section. Team Kiapoka, another prank with a blazing prank, you know. Team Kiapo in the comment section, people. Just spam it up. If you're not new, make sure you subscribe. So Abbi sent me for buy back her liquor before. I can't talk to her. So I guess I go buy back now. I don't know what going on. If you don't subscribe, turn on the notification bell because we are coming with Volleyball prank with the vlogs and challenges, all these things, you understand? So make sure you just join the AC gang. Road to 70k subscribers. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Check out Abbi's Madness. Check out Capo's TV. And don't forget to go and subscribe to Bree and KG. Don't forget, tell them say Abbi and Capo send on over there. Subscribe to them, turn on notification bell and watch their videos. AC Gang is out.